Hello, my dear learners. Welcome to our news channel. Today we have Mega Dam protest in Arunachal. Students, this article is about a dam. Now, here you can see a river is mentioned. This river is Siang River and it flows in Arunachal Pradesh in India. ठीक है? अब इस रिवर पर गवर्नमेंट ने डिसाइड किया था कि वो एक मेगा डैम बिल्ड करेंगे. Right? Mega dam, obviously, the name itself says that it is going to be a large structure. ठीक है? As a result, local people who are there in Arunachal Pradesh and who are living nearby this river, they had started protesting. Now, first of all, we need to learn about few things about dam. Why dams are important for economy and why government builds a dam over any river in India. See, students, dams, they generate electricity by harnessing the energy of flowing river. We know that energy, the water flows in a river. So, when we build a dam over the river, the dam, it generates electricity by harnessing the energy of flowing water. All right? Students who are in lower grade, don't worry about these complicated terms. ठीक है, आप सिर्फ concept पे ध्यान दो. Hydroelectric power, and since we know that India is focusing so much on renewable energy, so hydroelectric power is a renewable source of energy. And that is why India is searching for the resources by which we can generate lots and lots of amount of renewable source of energy. And also at international level, we have made several commitments that we will make sure that by 2070, we will be reducing our carbon level. Okay? And another important aspect of dam building is these dams, they store water which can be used for what? For irrigation. And it is also important for agriculture. They also provide a steady supply of water because we know that India is a water scarce country. India में पानी की कमी है. Although we never realize this fact because we're living in urban areas and we have continuous supply of water. But India is a water scarce country. So dam क्या करते हैं? They provide a steady supply of water. They also, students, they also help in preventing floods by regulating river flow, right? So flood control, it saves economic resources and it protects lives and property. So that is the another important uh, aspect of building dams. Moreover, uh, when government start constructing dam, it also provide support to local economy and it generates employment. Moreover, this when we have a dam, so it provide reliable water and energy supplies, and this help ensure that industries and agriculture have the resources that need to function efficiently. So dam although offer these economic benefits, but at the same time it is important to consider the environmental and social impacts it is going to have on economy and on the whole environment. Now, the local people who are living in Arunachal Pradesh, they have started protesting against the proposed mega dam on the Siang River. Why? Number one factor is they are saying that these large dam projects, they often require the relocation of entire community. So residents are fearing that they might lose their homes, agricultural lands, and access to the river, which is critical for their livelihood. At the same time, the compensation and the rehabilitation which is provided by the government, उनको लगता है कि ये काफी कम है। जितना ज़्यादा उनको लॉस सफ़र करना पड़ता है, रिहैबिलिटेट करके और लाइवलीहुड जो उनको नुकसान होता है, उतना वो सफिशिएंट नहीं हो पाता। एंड एज़ यू कैन सी इट इज़ मेंशन्ड in the second paragraph. People are saying that the construction of mega dam can have a significant ecological consequence, and this can disrupt the local ecosystems. So, if and moreover, the people who are connected with the environment, so they are saying that it will affect the wildlife habitat, and also it will alter the natural flow of the river, which can ultimately lead to a loss of biodiversity, and it will impact negatively on the fisheries, which is an important source of economy of the local communities. For many indigenous communities who are living nearby this river, they the river Siang itself hold a very important cultural and spiritual significance. So the construction of this dam is seen as violation of their cultural heritage and tradition. At the same time, some local educated people, they are also saying, especially those uh, belonging to a scientific community, they are saying that the dams can lead to water quality issues, including increased sedimentation. And this will ultimately affect the drinking water supply and pose significant health risks to local populations. Now, at the end of the paragraph, at the end of this article, you can also see that many people feel that they have not been adequately consulted or involved in the decision making process of constructing this dam. So this lack of participation, it leads to feeling of mistrust and resentment towards the project. तो इसीलिए बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी बन जाता है कि जब भी हम बात करते हैं कंजर्वेशन और डेवलपमेंट के डिबेट के बारे में, it is important that we ensure that all the stakeholders, especially local communities, are involved in the decision making process. And this include that there should be transparent consultation regarding indigenous rights. Moreover, people are also saying that earlier there have been some dam projects in the region, and those projects, they had left negative legacies, for like unfulfilled promises of compensation. There had there they had suffered significant environmental degradation and social disruption. So this also makes local wary of new projects, and they somehow they lose mistrust. They lose trust over these whole government projects. So what can be done here is that first of all, government should include all the stakeholders, and moreover, the benefit of development projects has to be shared with the local communities. This include fair compensation, infrastructure development, job creation, and investment in local education. तो ये सारी जो चीजें हैं गवर्नमेंट कर सकती है, और इस प्रोजेक्ट में जो जरूरत है वो ध्यान देने वाली बात ये है कि although development is important, development is required, but डेवलपमेंट वर्सेस कंजर्वेशन का डिबेट नहीं होना चाहिए, वो रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि डेवलपमेंट विद कंजर्वेशन एस्पेक्ट निकल कर आना चाहिए. नाउ if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the comments. Okay, students? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.